Alright guys, DipYourVehicle, we've got Audi A5. We wrapped it about 6 years ago. As you can see, the wrap is very old. Previously, before it got wrapped, we repaired a few panels because it had a big damage. It's got prime underneath, and the paint of the car, it's got a lot of imperfections. Unfortunately, we wrapped it, and it had a couple of accidents. It's damaged in a few panels, so we're going to remove the wrap, paint it. We're also going to paint the wheels in gloss black. We're going to paint the calipers in red, and that's it. The guy's going to put the car for sale. So I hope you guys enjoy it.
See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow.
Okay guys, as you guys can see, we removed all the wrap, and it's been sanded before wrapped it in the past. So we're just gonna do a full respray. We'll remove the alloy wheels. We're gonna paint the alloy wheels first, then we're gonna prepare the body. So I hope you guys enjoy. Keep watching, guys.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and
Okay guys, we finally done the Audi A5. As you can see, it's a brand new car. We've done a full respray. It looks brand new and it's proper shiny. We painted the whole car. We painted the wheels in gloss black, and we painted the calipers in red. So that's pretty much what the customer sees. It's going to be surprised how good the car looks. It had the old wrap. White was very old. People have been ripping the wrap, and the paint work underneath was really bad. So we got it sorted. We done it, and I'm happy with that. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys on the next video.